Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see still, yet, already and just. First, still. Still is used for an action or situation continuous which we expected to happen earlier. It means the action or situation continues than the expected time or period. Still is used in present simple, present continuous and in present perfect tenses. However, in British English, it is used only in present perfect tense. Example, are you still learning English? This is present continuous tense question. In this sentence, we have used still before the main verb learning. Next, I am still waiting for the bus. This is present continuous tense statement. In this, we have used still before the main verb waiting. And next, do you still live in the same house? This sentence is in present simple tense. In this sentence, we have used still before the main verb live. This is question. Next, he still hasn't completed his graduation. This sentence is in present perfect tense. Here we have used still before the auxiliary verb hasn't. Next, the flight still hasn't come. This sentence is also in present perfect tense. We still haven't received any information from him. This sentence is also in present perfect tense. You see, in present simple and present continuous tenses, we use still before the main verb, and in present perfect tense, we use still before auxiliary verb. Next, already. Already is used to refer to something which has happened before the moment of speaking. Already means before now. Already is used in present perfect tense. It can be used between auxiliary verb and main verb or at the end of a sentence. Example, I have already learnt English. This action completed. And we have used already between auxiliary verb have and main verb learnt. Next, we have already seen the movie. This action also completed. And we have used already between have and seen. Next, the train has left the station already. In this sentence, we have used already at the end of this sentence. Next, she has already reserved her ticket. In this sentence also, we have used already between auxiliary verb has and main verb reserved. We have already made all arrangements for the function. In this sentence, we have used already between auxiliary verb have and main verb made. This way, already can be used either between auxiliary verb and main verb or at the end of a sentence. Yet. Yet is used in negative sentences and questions. It means at any time up to now. It is used in present perfect tense. For example, he hasn't come yet. It means the action not completed and will complete at any time. Next, haven't you completed your homework yet? It means the action not completed. See, the first sentence is negative statement and the second sentence is negative question. Next, she hasn't prepared lunch yet. It means the action not completed. I haven't reached home yet. The movie hasn't started yet. The train hasn't come yet. You see, yet is used at the end of a sentence. Next, just. Just is used in present perfect tense. It is used between has or have and verb 3. Just means a short time before. For example, I have just taken lunch. We have just met your friend going to work. Her boss has just called. She has just left. She has just cooked food. He has just come. You see, we have used just between have form verbs and verb 3. This way, just is used in present perfect tense.